Installing new windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and value. However, the quality of your window installation plays a significant role in determining how well your new windows perform over time. When it comes to window installation in Doral, hiring professional services offers numerous advantages that can save you time, money, and future headaches. Here are the key benefits of entrusting your window installation to skilled professionals. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of training and experience to the table, ensuring your windows are installed correctly the first time. Window installation involves precise measurements, proper sealing, and careful alignment, all of which impact the final performance of your windows. A small mistake during installation can lead to drafts, water leaks, or structural damage. Professionals understand the nuances of different window types, from double-hung and casement windows to sliding and bay windows. They can quickly assess and adapt to unique challenges that may arise during installation, providing solutions that ensure your windows are securely and correctly installed. Enhanced energy efficiency. Doral's climate, with its warm temperatures and high humidity, makes energy-efficient windows a critical consideration for homeowners. Proper installation is key to maximizing the energy efficiency of your windows. Even the best energy-efficient windows can fail to perform as intended if they are not installed with an airtight seal. Professional window installers have the skills to ensure your windows fit perfectly, eliminating air leaks and optimizing insulation. This precise installation reduces energy loss, lowers your cooling costs, and keeps your home comfortable year-round. Time and cost savings. Attempting a DIY window installation may seem like a way to save money up front, but it often results in costly mistakes that require professional fixes. Hiring experienced window installation services in Doral from the start can save you both time and money. Professionals have the right tools, training, and expertise to complete the job efficiently, minimizing the risk of errors and delays. Furthermore, professional installers often have access to industry pricing for materials and can recommend high-quality products that fit your budget. Their expertise reduces the likelihood of unexpected expenses and ensures the job is done right the first time. Warranty protection. Most reputable window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties often depend on proper installation. Hiring professional window installation services ensures that your warranty remains valid, as professionals adhere to manufacturer guidelines and best practices during the installation process. In addition to protecting your product warranty, many professional installers also offer their own labor warranties. This means that if any issues arise after installation, they will address them promptly, providing you with additional peace of mind. Increased home value. New windows can significantly boost your home's curb appeal and market value. However, their value is diminished if they are improperly installed. Professional window installation services in Doral ensure your windows look great and perform well, enhancing your home's overall value. High-quality installation can also improve your home's resale appeal. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with recently upgraded windows, especially when they see evidence of professional craftsmanship and energy efficiency. Improved security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points in a home. Improperly installed windows can create security risks, such as loose fittings or gaps that intruders can exploit. Professional installers take every step to ensure your windows are securely anchored and fitted with robust locks, enhancing your home's security. Customization options. If you have specific aesthetic or functional preferences for your windows, professional installers can help bring your vision to life. They can guide you through customization options, such as unique window shapes, specialized glass, or hardware finishes, and ensure these elements are integrated seamlessly into your home's design. Compliance with building codes. In Doral, window installations must comply with local building codes and regulations, particularly to ensure safety and resilience against the area's weather conditions. Professional window installers are familiar with these codes and will ensure that your installation meets all legal requirements, helping you avoid potential fines or issues during future home inspections. Conclusion. Hiring professional window installation services in Doral offers a range of benefits that enhance your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall value. With their expertise, proper tools, and commitment to quality, professionals ensure that your windows perform at their best for years to come. Save yourself the hassle and risks of DIY installation and enjoy the long-term benefits of a job well done by trusted experts.